Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel open in Laptop. To begin, find the Microsoft Excel icon on your computer's desktop or within the Start menu. A single click on this icon will launch the application for you. If you prefer, you can also use the Windows search bar. Simply type Excel and then press the Enter key to open it up. It's a straightforward process with a couple of easy options. Once Excel is open, you'll typically see a welcome screen. From here, choose the blank workbook option to start fresh. This immediately provides you with an empty spreadsheet, ready for you to input your data, calculations, or lists. For a quicker method, simply press the Control key and the letter N simultaneously on your keyboard to open a brand new workbook. If you need to work on a file you've already created, select the Open option from the Excel Start screen. This allows you to browse your computer's folders. Navigate to where your Excel file is stored, then simply double-click its name to open it. A handy shortcut is pressing Ctrl+O, which instantly brings up the File Explorer for you. Saving your work is crucial. Go to File, then select Save As to pick a location and give your workbook a clear, descriptive name. This helps you find it easily later. Choose a folder that makes sense for your organization. Once saved, you can quickly update it by pressing Ctrl+S, which saves any changes you've made.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.